Have you ever dreaded your Brazilian wax? You're not alone. Many women blame the wax for their pain. But it's time to uncover the hidden truth. The wax isn't the real culprit behind the discomfort. First, let's discuss skin preparation. If your skin is dry or dehydrated, it will hurt more. Hydrated skin helps hair removal go smoothly. This is crucial for a less painful experience. Next, consider the technique used. The angle, timing, and pressure during waxing greatly affect pain levels. A small mistake can lead to increased discomfort. Always ensure proper technique to minimize pain. Your body's response plays a significant role too. Stress, hormonal changes, and even caffeine can heighten sensitivity. Professionals often notice these factors influencing the experience. It's not just the wax, it's how everything combines. Now, what can you do to make your next appointment better? Start by hydrating and gently prepping your skin before the session. Focus on using proper technique, rather than solely considering the wax type. Also, avoid stress or caffeine before waxing to lower sensitivity. By addressing these factors, your next session can be so much better. Imagine less discomfort and improved results. If you found this information helpful, tap like. For more simple health tips, subscribe to our channel. And please share this with someone who still blames the wax.